Hi everyone, I'll be teaching you Surds. S-U-R-D-S, Surds. We talked about irrational numbers, root 2, root 3, root 5. These are irrational numbers. They cannot be written in form of P by Q. If I write this one, root 3 2, 3 root 3, 3 root 5, these numbers are also cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 5. The numbers which cannot be expressed as a cube of a rational number or any number is called surd. This root 2 cannot be expressed as square of 2. 3 cannot be expressed as square root of or square of 3. 5 cannot be expressed as square of 5. So we say that these numbers out here are surds. Spatial irrational numbers are considered as surds. Look at the definition given in the book. If E is any positive rational number, E is any positive rational number and N, it has to be greater than 1, is a positive integer, is a positive integer, and if it cannot be, if A cannot be written as nth power, cannot be written as nth power of any rational number, then root E, or we write nth root E or e to the power of 1 by n, is called surd. Look at the definition here. It is similar to this, the examples which I gave. E is a positive rational number. E is a positive rational number. So if you look here, the number which you have under root 2 is a rational number. N is greater than 1. It has to be greater than 1. Is a positive integer. And A cannot be written as nth power of any rational number, then n root E is considered as a surd. Something like this. Suppose I write root 2. This root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of half. 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. N is greater than 1 and it is positive integer. Look at this, positive integer. It is positive integer here. A cannot be written as the nth power of rational number. So this 2 cannot be written as 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. It cannot be written as nth power of any rational number. Then root 2 is considered as a sword. Remember this. Look at the technical terms related to swords. If I write nth power of e, the first one e is a positive rational number. Number 2, in which should be greater than 1, positive integer. And the third one in root e is not a rational number. Means that it has to be irrational. It has to be irrational. Suppose I write 3 root 3. 3 is a positive rational number. N is the power. N is not a rational number, means cube root of 3 is not a rational number. So this number is considered as a sword. You have some important terms related. All swords are irrational numbers. So remember these technical terms or formulae. Nth power of e can be written as e to the power of 1 upon n. Second one, nth power of or nth root of n to the power of n can be written as e. It means that it is nth root 1 by n to the power of n. So power multiplies, we get only a. Third one, nth root of a multiplied by nth root of b can be written as nth root of eb. Something like this. Suppose you have cube root of 2, cube root of 3. Directly we can write it as cube root of 6. Remember this important term. Then the fourth one, nth root of a divides by nth root of b can directly be written as nth root of a divides by b. These are important terms or properties of irrational numbers. So look at the application of swords. The first application, facts about swords of order 2. Let's discuss this first. Suppose if I write root 2. This is sword of order 2. If I write cube root of 2, it is sword of order 3. Fourth root of 2. This is sword of order 4. Square root, cube root, fourth root. Now facts about the swords of order 2. You just have to practice order 2 only. You don't have to go for order 3 or order 4. look at the first fact. Root 3 plus root 5 cannot be written as, you cannot write it as root 3 plus 5. It is not allowed. It is root 3, root 5 cannot be written as root 3 plus 5. Similarly, subtraction also cannot be done. Root 3 minus root 5 cannot be written as root 3 minus 5. You cannot write. The second fact, root 2 plus root 2 can be written as 2 root 2. The number in front of these irrational number, you have to add it up. So, number 3, root a square directly can be written as a. Root ab can be written as root a into root b. Vice versa. It is applicable vice versa. Look at number 4. Root a plus root b multiplies root a minus root b. We use algebraic formula here and directly write it as a minus b. Important relation. Number 5th one, suppose you have root a plus root b whole square, can be written as a plus b plus 2 root ab. Expansion of irrational numbers. So remember these 5 facts related to Surds. I'll show you the application of these facts in the sums. Thank you very much. Stay safe.